Just arrived, still in the shipping carton. It's partially unboxed, showing all the major components. Everything looks very nice. Got a nice manual to assemble it. Although I'm pretty sure I could probably put this together without even looking at the manual. Beautiful 3-bladed prop. Motors installed. All the servos are installed. It looks like everything goes on with screws. I don't think there's any gluing to be done at all. Alright, so on the stand, the horizontal tailplane is in place. The connection is made there. It's not attached yet to the push rod. And there are 2 little screw holes, one there and one on the other side. And I went to the hardware bag, and it was not apparent to me exactly which of those little screws are the ones that goes in there. They're all the same machine thread, with the exception of the 2 smaller screws, which appear to be a wood screw type thread that cuts its own threads. And those 2, I suspect, are the ones that are going to go into the tailplane, but I am going to refer to the manual to be sure. After a while, seems to be correctly assembled, and I think I have safe assigned to a switch. The CG checks out pretty close with a 3-cell battery. It works with a 4-cell battery as well, and I tested that, and it recognizes the 4-cell battery. I'm just going to demonstrate the gear. I love those main gear, they're big and juicy. Nose gear has a nothing. Oh well, I don't know. I also have my flaps arranged on a 3-position switch, where the first position is up, the second position is about half, what I would call takeoff flaps, and the third position is full flaps. The flaps are split flaps. That means the wing is the same size above them. They come out of the bottom of the wing, actually. A couple of observations on this plane. You have to be careful with the wing. The connections between the servos in the wing and the main fuselage seem to be a little scary. Sometimes they make it and sometimes they don't. I just had a problem with the flaps. They weren't functioning at all, and I pushed on the wing and they started functioning. I may wind up doing something with those connections, possibly changing the way it's done. But as long as it works, I'll be fine with it, but just something to keep in mind. Fitting the wing onto the wing saddle was kind of dicey, and those bolts that hold it together, they don't seem to really like to cooperate. At any rate, it's a sweet looking plane, and I'm looking forward to flying it.